Hello, my name is Bogdan, I'm the owner of DNN Sharp. In this video I will show you how to get started with Easy Container. I'm already logged in on this site as a super user, and the module has already been installed from host extension screen. So now I will go in one page, I will enter the edit mode, I will pick up the first module on this page, and I will set a container just like I usually do. So, but the container is called Easy Container. So I'll pick up the light gray simple container. I will update it. So now you see the page updated, and the Easy Container is around this module. Notice just below the container there's an edit container link. When you click this link, that's when the magic happens. You see the pop-up with all the settings that you can move around. When you move it, it becomes transparent, so you can see things beneath it. And here, all the changes you make will be previewed instantly on the screen. So for example, if I go into the Appearance tab, I will go and change the font of the title bar. So let's say I make it 30. You see, it's got bigger, but if I click the Cancel button, all the changes will be undone. So I'll go back to Edit, and I will edit the fonts again, and I will give it a different color. And then you can go and change borders, you can change backgrounds, you can change margins, you can change positions, you can change floats. There are tons of things you can change. Right now I will change the border of the root container to make it round. Actually, I will change the border of the content, and I will change it only at the bottom. So I will make it like this. You see a nice round effect, and maybe bigger on one side. And then I hit save, and the changes are saved. Notice that now I changed to one of the predefined containers. Normally you don't want to do this. You want to keep this maybe as a reference. And also they may be overwritten on updates. So what you want to do is create a new container. So you go into page settings, you go into module container, and you select a special container that is called Easy Container minus new container. After you set this container, you will see a small form where you can give a name to your container. Let's call it new container, and then you can copy from one of the existing containers. For example, I can copy the containers I just modified, and then you can choose to place this under host or the portal folder. The host option is only available if you're logged in as a super user. Otherwise, the portal will be the only available option. So I create this container, and you can see this is a copy of the container that I just modified. Now you can go on and further modify it. I can, for example, change the font in the content. I can make it italic, for example, and I can space it more. I can make it okay. So now you see you can reuse this container to other modules. For example, I go to this module, into the settings, I'll open the module container, and you'll see that the container I just created is available as new container under the site. So I update that, and now I have two modules using the same container. Notice in the settings window there's a question mark. Whenever you click this, Easy Container will highlight the modules that use this container. So you see the red dot around the two modules. And all the changes that I do, for example, if I set some width, it will be applied to both modules instantly. For example, I can choose to stack these two modules one next to another. So I just make them smaller and then I float them left. (400 pixels), and then maybe I can put some space to the right. I can put some margin to the right. So let's say I put 19 pixels. So you see, now I have two modules stacked one next to another just by clicking a few buttons. There are actually tons of features you can experiment with, and that's it. Thank you for your time, and I hope you like Easy Container and that you'll get to use it and help you with your work. Thank you.